You have already studied about real numbers and their properties. So in today's video, you are going to learn a new term called as rationalization. So what do you mean by rationalization? Suppose we are given a number whose denominator is irrational. Then the process of converting its denominator to a rational number by multiplying its numerator and denominator by a suitable number is called as rationalization. And the product of two irrational numbers is rational, then each one is called as rationalizing factor of the other. For example, we know that root 3 is an irrational number. Root 3, root 2, root 5, all these are irrational numbers. Now I am going to write 2 by root 3. So here 2 by root 3 means the denominator is a irrational number. Suppose we are given a number whose denominator is irrational. So we are given the number 2 by root 3 and the denominator is irrational. That means root 3 is irrational. Then the process of converting its denominator to a rational number by multiplying its numerator and denominator by a suitable number is called as rationalization. That means I want to convert this denominator into a rational number. So how will I do this? So 2 by root 3, I don't want, in simple words, I don't want root in the denominator. So how will I do this? I will multiply the numerator and the denominator with root 3. So that numerator will become 2 root 3, but denominator is root 3 into root 3 is root 9 and square root of root 9 is 3. So I don't have an irrational number in the denominator. So why I don't have a rational number in the denominator? Because by the process of rationalization, I have removed that irrational number from the denominator. I have multiplied the numerator and the denominator with root 3. So this root 3 is called as rationalizing factor. That means the product of two irrational numbers is rational, then each one is called as rationalizing factor of the other. So here rationalizing factor of root 3 is root 3 only. So that is the meaning of rationalization and rationalizing factor. In simple words, rationalization means the process of removing the root from the denominator. So the first question is 1 by root 7. We need to rationalize the denominator of the following. First question is 1 by root 7. I have to rationalize this. So take the denominator. What's the denominator here? Root 7. So first you need to find rationalizing factor of root 7. RF I am writing. Short form is rationalizing factor of root 7. We know it is root 7 only because root 7 into root 7 is square root of root 7 into root 7 is square root of 49, which is equal to 7. So we got a rational number. So each one is the rationalizing factor of the other. So rationalizing factor of root 7 is root 7. Or rationalizing factor of root 3 is root 3 only. Rationalizing factor of root 4 is root 4 only. In general, rationalizing factor of A is root A. Now what I am going to do is multiply the numerator and the denominator with this rationalizing factor. So which is equal to 1 into root 7 is root 7. Root 7 into root 7 is root 49. So which is equal to root 7 by 7. So in the denominator we don't have any root. So this is how you are rationalizing the denominator. Now the second question is 1 by root 7 minus root 6. So what is the rationalizing factor of root 7 minus root 6? The rationalizing factor, I can write root 7 minus root 6 is root 7 plus root 6. Why? Because root 7 minus root 6 into root 7 plus root 6, if I multiply both of them, this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So which is equal to root of 7 square minus root of 6 square. That means root of 49 minus root of 36. 7 minus 6 is 1. We get a rational number. So the rationalizing factor of root 7 minus root 6 is root 7 plus root 6. In the same way, if I give what is the rationalizing factor of root 6 minus root 4, you can write as root 6 plus root 4. Or what is the rationalizing factor of root 2 plus root 3? If it is plus, you have to write root 2 minus root 3. Same way, what is the rationalizing factor of root 9 plus root 10, which is equal to the rationalizing factor of root 9 plus root 10, I can write root 9 minus root 10. That means if it is minus, you have to write plus. If it is plus, you have to write minus. And in the previous sum, we have seen that rationalizing factor of root 3 is root 3 only. Same way, here now we have seen rationalizing factor of root 7 minus root 6 is root 7 plus root 6. So in general, I can say rationalizing factor of root A is root A, and root A plus root B is root A minus root B, or rationalizing factor of root A minus root B is root A plus root B. So we will multiply the numerator and denominator with the rationalizing factor. This is the question what they have given. I have wrote the question as such. Now I am going to multiply the numerator and the denominator with the rationalizing factor, that is root 7 plus root 6. So which is equal to root 7 plus root 6, because 1 into any number is as such. Now this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Just now we got that a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. We have simplified. So the denominator is 1. So the answer for this is root 7 plus root 6. Now the third question is 1 by root 5 plus 1 by root 2. So again, take the rationalizing factor of root 5 plus root 2. I have written the denominator is root 5 minus root 2. Now multiply the numerator and denominator with this rationalizing factor. First I will write the question as such, then root 5 minus root 2 divided by root 5 minus root 2. Okay. Now the denominator as before, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So what is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So which is equal to root 5 the whole square minus root 2 the whole square. So it is root 25 minus root 4, which is equal to 5 minus 2 is 3. So denominator I have simplified separately and kept. So numerator is root 5 minus root 2 divided by denominator, answer is 3, because it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So the answer is root 5 minus root 2 divided by 3. Next question is 1 by root 7 minus 2. So the rationalizing factor of root 7 minus 2 is very easy. Just change the sign, root 7 plus 2. Now I'll write the question 1 minus root 7 by 2 into root 7 plus 2 divided by root 7 plus 2. Now we will simplify the denominator, root 7 minus 2 into root 7 plus 2. This is in the form of a minus b into a plus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. So in the place of a I have root 7, but in the place of b I have only 2. You have to be careful. There is no root for 2. Now root 7 the whole square is root 49. 2 square is 4 and root 49 is 7. So 7 minus 4 is 3. So I can write numerator root 7 plus 2 and denominator is 7 minus 4, which is equal to 3. So these three things you have to keep in your mind. Rationalizing factor of root a is root a. Rationalizing factor of root a plus b equal to root a minus b. And rationalizing factor of root a minus root b equal to root a plus root b. You have to just change the sign. And if it is root a, write same as root a. So thank you for watching the video.